So I've already been walking 7 kilometers this morning, and I've stopped for my first painkiller break. There's a nice little fountain in this little park here. Kind of a nice little playground here. I came down this tractor road through a bunch of sunflower fields. I don't know if another pilgrim has lost his hat here, or whose this is, but really it's a Tilly hat. So I really think I should, bring it with me because, it's obviously a fellow Canadian who has lost their hat. A little bit too big for me, 7 5/8, extra large. Kind of dusty, but someone might want their Tilly back. It's nice, there's a little fountain in here. We got some water. There's another pilgrim who stopped. And there are some windmills in the distance. Go. And some BC Greenos. Those are pilgrims who ride bicycles. Maybe not. They're going another way. Okay, so I've already arrived in the town where I'm going to spend the night. It took me about 3.5 hours, maybe just a little under that, from Burgos to walk here. I decided to make it a short day. It's about 12 kilometers, just because my big toe, hiker's toe, and my left knee still give me a lot of problems. So I wanted to make it a short day. So it's not too hot yet, and there's been a little bit of wind and a little bit of cloud cover, but not too much. But I expect it's going to be hot later. Here's where I started. Saint Jean Pied de Port. Burgos. Aquí. Rabe de las Calzadas tonight. Leon, 1 week, maybe more. Santiago de la Compostela, I don't know. 2 more weeks, maybe 3.